companies which were selling noodles at equivalent of 10 cents a packet, and the Nestle's of the world were selling at 60 cents a packet. There was a huge gap in the middle of trying to sell something at 30 cents. The 10 cents quality was average, the 60 cents quality was great, but people really wanted something at 30 cents which had good quality. And that's something which I discovered. And how I discovered it is I used to be going on the trains in China, carrying my packs with me, and I would give them to people, sell it, and people would consume it by adding hot water, and I would get instant feedback. And based on that instant feedback, I kept on changing. Even today, this person spends 1 day a month traveling in the trains, seeing how the consumers are responding to his products. So being there out in the market. The second thing which was very interesting was, we were talking about what's his 3-year, 5-year, 10-year strategy. And he said, I have a 10-year goal. I have a 10-year goal that I need to be growing at about 20% every year, and I need to maintain my profitability. I don't have a 10-year strategy. And I said, what is it that you mean you don't have a 10-year strategy? He said, the world is changing so fast, it will be stupid for me to create a 10-year strategy. So I'm not creating a 10-year strategy. I am creating people who can create and execute 1-year strategy every year for the next 10, 15, 20 years. So he was actually recognizing that there is going to be a lot of change and investing in capabilities rather than structures. The third thing, which was interesting, which actually was very similar to another person that we interviewed, was Adi Godrej. So I was there with one of my co-authors who's a 54-year American, and he said, what is it that you are setting as a target for yourself? So ABG said, our plan is to be 10 by 10. So he said, what do you mean by 10 by 10? So he said, we have to be 10 times our size in 10 years. So he said, you recognize that is a 26% growth. He said, yes, but if we don't become a $30 billion group from a $3 billion group, everything else is not good enough. So that is what is required. And it was fascinating to hear what entrepreneurs, what students, what individuals in both the countries are talking about in terms of ambition and aspirations for themselves.